Hey, Adam Mandelbloom here with Lenovo live at Ignite. And I have Eric with me. Eric, could you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, sure, everybody. It's Eric Mills with Microsoft. I look after the Lenovo ISG business at the worldwide level.
Yeah. And also working the camera is Amit, who's the PM for something that I'm excited to announce here, which is ThinkAgile MX650 is now a Microsoft Premier offering. So that is some exciting news. We have, this is running 2U, right? So this is our first kind of full rack size solution in Premier. This is going to run in Azure Local. So Eric, it's kind of a new name introduced here at Ignite. Can you tell me a little bit about Azure Local?
Yeah, absolutely. There are a lot of people here at the Lenovo booth asking about Azure Local. The announcement just happened. So Azure Local is a renaming and a new family for Azure Stack HCI. So we won't call it Azure Stack HCI anymore. We'll call it Azure Local going forward. So the 650 Premier offering is part of Azure Local. And it's essentially a way to use on-prem servers to deploy Azure services and your workloads onto.
Yep.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Gives you that great Azure experience, but with your on-prem as well.
Exactly.
So another thing, right, you may have noticed that I mentioned the word Premier, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. So Eric, could you tell me a little bit about what does that mean to Microsoft when a partner has a Premier solution?
Yeah, so the Microsoft and Lenovo have done an amazingly deep engineering collaboration on this Premier category product. So Premier is the highest category of validation and testing for a product, and Lenovo has achieved that, which we're really happy about. So having this 650 server in the Premier category essentially means that this can be used for mission-critical workloads, and having a 2U data center type of server in that category is really going to open it up to a lot of customers that weren't able to achieve it before.
Yep, excellent. So yeah, I know some of the things that we are doing it specifically make this Premier solution is constant validation and testing in partnership with Microsoft. An ease of deployment where we have a tool based on our Loca that makes it easy for customers to deploy, lifecycle management, and of course support, where you're going to get a one-stop shop where you call and we're going to help you out, not only with the Lenovo hardware, but also the Azure Local solutions that are running on this box.
Absolutely. Yeah. Customers love the one-stop shop, and Lenovo has everything, hardware, software, services. So it's a great offer for customers who are serious about running Azure Local, Azure on-prem.
Yep. So yeah, we've got a lot of great things here at Ignite. So obviously right here where we're standing, we're showing you that ease of deployment for Azure Local. We're talking about how you can even run Azure Virtual Desktop locally in your Azure Local solutions.
Absolutely.
And then at the other booth on the other side of the floor here, we've got some of our edge use cases. And certainly last but not least, we've got 650 Premier there running a partition GPU with image generation, 3D gaming, so some really cool stuff. Yeah. Yep. So, come out here and see us if you're here, and thanks for watching.